we will learn this, how to do minus 9. How to do minus 9. So minus 9 is equal to minus 10 plus 5 minus 4. We will practice these questions today. So you have already done minus 9 before also. How you have done that? Minus 9 is equal to minus 10 plus 1. You remember this? This we have already
Yes.
done. And this is also one of the way that we are going to learn today. Okay. Let me show you in Abacus also. 14 is there and you want to do minus 9. You want to do minus 9. So this process you cannot follow here because minus 10 and plus 1. But you cannot do plus 1 here because there is not enough bit. So to do minus 9 in this case, what you will do, you will follow this new process. This is minus 10. First you will do minus 10. Okay. Then plus 5 and minus 4. Plus 5 and minus 4. This is that. So this is the process that we will follow today. What is the first question?
5 plus 5 plus 9 minus 9.
Yes, 5 plus 9 and minus 9. So let me show you 5. This is 5. Then plus 9. So how we will do plus 9? We have already learned this. To do plus 9, I will write here there is two processes to do plus 9. One is plus 9 is equal to plus 10 and minus 1. If we can do this, we will do this. If we can't do this, then we will follow the another process, that is combination. Plus 9 is equal to plus 10, then minus 5 plus 4. Okay. So we can we do this one? Plus 9 is equal to plus 10 minus 1. We cannot do this one here. But we can follow this one. Plus 9 is equal to plus 10 minus 5 and plus 4. Completed. Now next number is minus 9. How to do minus 9? So minus 9 also there is two process. Just now I have shown you minus 9, two processes there. One is minus 9 is equal to minus 10 plus 1. Another one is minus 9 is equal to minus 10 plus 5 and then minus 4. So this one is not possible.
This one is 4.
Yes, 4. So we can do this one. Second one, minus 10, 9 is equal to minus 10 plus 5 and minus 4. So what is the answer, Pradyut?
Answer Pradyut 5.
5. Yes.